Heel. Good boy. Heel. Heel. Good. Heel. Good boy. Heel. Heel. Easy. Right here. It's right there. Right there. There you go. Heel. Good. Heel. Heel. Uh-oh. You don't want him to pick him up off the ground. Good boy. Good. Heel. Good. Good boy. Heel. Yeah, good. Place. Place. Good. Sit. That's it. No. No, no, no. Then sit. Sit. Good. Good boy. Good. There, sit. Good. Good. Sit. Good boy. He's still trying to lick. Sit. Good boy. Uh-oh. Good. Sit. Here. 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 And sit. Sit. Come on. Sit. He's not acting as hungry as he did yesterday. Sit. There you go. Good. You don't have to just go on the board. Here. Here. Good. Sit. Up. There. Good boy. Good. Good. Here. This guy's got a good nose. Here. No, you're not going to get your own food. Here. Here. Come on. And sit. Good. Good boy. Good. Yeah. And try down. Down. You draw the food between the legs and a little pressure on the top. Down. Good boy. There you go. It's all right. Good. Good. Here. Oh, good. You're going to walk in it down. Good boy. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Here. Where'd you go? I can't find you. Oh, all right. You want to do place? Come on, place. Oh, you fell. Sit. Good, sit. Sit. Good boy. There you go. Good. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. No, well, here. Here. No paw. Sit. Good boy. Good. 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 Place. Good. You fell off. Here. Place. He wants to play. Well, come on. You gotta work for your supper. Here. Sit. Good. There you go. Good boy. You just wait them out. They'll figure it out. Meanwhile, I'm holding the food kind of pinched in my finger so he can't get it without doing what I want. Place. Place. Don't mix up. Oh, yeah. Sit. Good. There you go. Good boy. Good. Good. Come over here. Want to do down? Huh? Come on. Here. No, you're not having my food in my pocket. Here. Down. Down. Good boy. Very nice. Good. Word praises along with the food. Good boy. Good. Okay. Okay. Come here. Come over here. Place. And sit. Sit. Good. Good. You're getting that better. Yeah, you're getting that better. Good boy. Oh, easy now. Take your time chewing. Here. Sit. Good. Good. Doing this a couple times a day, they really can learn their commands. Place. Good. And sit. No paw. Good. Good. Okay. Okay. Here. 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 Sit. Up. Good. Good boy. Good. Heel. 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 Sit. Sit. Eventually you could have two place boards and cast him from one to another, like in the video that I did with Jean. Here. Here. Sit. You can use the place board to increase the time that they wait. I use the word wait meaning that until I tell you something different, and stay meaning stay in that position till I come back to you. Here, here, place. Sit. Oh, you got that one. You got that one. Here. Up, up, up. Here. Hey, 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 hey. Here. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Now that he got the treat for coming. Yeah. He got that treat for coming. Good. All right. All right. Eventually you can play come games where two people have the treats, and you call them back and forth and say, here. Good. Good. All right, I'm going to get the rest of his supper and show you how he waits for his dinner, or his learning. The birds are here. And he already knows to sit. He wants to have his supper. He doesn't get supper without sitting. So I'm going to teach him to wait. Sit. Good boy. Wait. 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 Okay. As soon as he's not pushing on me, I release him, and I release him on his name. But all I know him is right now is mid-back, so I'm not teaching him that. I just use okay. I think the biggest things with puppies is you really need to remember that not only do you teach them commands, but you also have to let them know when they're off the command. And so I use the word okay for that.